In this video, we are going to discuss the turning points for the coming week, and not only that, longer term counts for the Nifty and Bank Nifty and the most asked stock, Reliance. And other stocks also been discussed, and commodities like silver, natural gas, and crude oil. The immediate view for the coming week has also been discussed. Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today, 16th November, Nifty ends this week at around 23,550 and Bank Nifty around 50,200. See, as per our midweek market update, the price is declining, and I still believe the same approach will continue for this week also. Anyway, we will discuss the important levels for the coming week. So if it is A, B, C, and we are in last wave of this C, that is fifth of C, probably. And in my opinion, the correction may still may go one more lower. And I will say an important thing here. Watch this price action. If the price bounces significantly, minimum to this level, okay, around 23,800 from this level itself, okay, from this low itself, okay, around the same level, 23,550. From here itself, the price gives bounce to 23,800 and comes lower, then the important supports can be 23,300 to 350. Okay. At the same time, if the price does not minimum move to 23,800 and slight bounce and one more low to 23,350, then all can be just a wave 3, minor wave 3 possibly. Okay. And a significant bounce, and the low can be 23,200 to 23,300, which is very, very important zone for completing this correction. Whether it is an entire correction has been completed or one wave of completion, we will discuss in a while. But this is very important for the coming weeks. Okay. The important thing we need to see is how the price is behaving at the current situation. The current price is very important now. If it is small bounce and come lower, all thing can be wave 3. We need a minimum bounce to 23,800 right from the same place. Then only we can expect the support of 23,300 to 350 as the turning point of this correction. Or else the price can touch the not bigger difference, 23,200 to 23,300, which is very, very important zone for support. I hope you understand. Any price action below these levels in a gap down or fast, we need to alter the count. That is, we need to extend it. Okay, this is the approach, and I hope you understand the analysis on Nifty, right? And in Bank Nifty, yes, the price needs to complete its fifth. The same logic as we discussed in the Nifty, the price minimum gives a bounce to this level, okay, 50,800, approximately 50,800. Then we may expect a support to this low of 49,650, this low. That will be a good important support, but this pattern suggests that there is a higher chance of price to come lower. So my primary assumption is maybe a small bounce and come lower, and again the price may give a bounce and come lower to these two levels, maybe 49,300. That means the price possibly should come below this point. Okay, the minimum expectation, I'm repeating it, minimum expectation. The minimum expectation for completion of correction or taking support is the price to reach this low, but that is minimum. So possibly a pullback, and price may come lower below this 49,650 zone. So the important thing is, yes, we need to see how the price takes a bounce, a small bounce or bigger bounce, as like the Nifty. The same logic applies here. Okay, a small bounce, then the correction is not yet over, and if it is a somewhat bigger bounce, as our important levels we discussed now, then the correction may complete at the between 49,660 to 49,300. Okay, the most important level is 48,900, approximately 48,900 to 49,000. This is very important. All things can be expected based on the end of this minor 3. That's why I'm giving importance to see the bounce. So small bounce, we are still in wave 3. A decent bounce, we need to calculate, right? I said the levels also. So if the price touches that bounce, then we can assume wave 3 has been completed and we can calculate the wave 5. Anyway, we will discuss in the midweek market update. In both the cases, we need to see the bounce. Then only we can assume the minor wave 3 of this leg has been completed, or else we are still in the correction part. This is the shorter term view. So many are asking what is the longer term view. I move to the weekly. See, this is the weekly expectation, that is a longer term count. So we need both are same counts. Okay, the price are in still wave 3. This is the basic underlying assumption. We are in wave 3. So if it is wave 3, wave 1, 2, I already showed in previous midweek market update that this is one possibility, wave 4. If it is the case, the price can touch here and move higher. But in this case, the wave 5, it should behave as an extended wave 5. This is possible. The extended wave 5s can reach between 30,000 to 33,000. In my opinion, it can still in wave 3. In this case, this is the possibility now. Wave 4 and wave 5. Okay. So in this case, the support can be expected. The price reaches exactly at 38.2%, which is around 33,400. I remove this one, or else I just remove this line. I hope you understand. In this approach, the price has reached a significant important support, which is the 38.2%, and the price can even end the total correction, and the price may start moving higher in the 5th of this 3. Okay, as I said in midweek market update, if the price approaches that 23,300, even the 23,200 zone, that we can take even an assumption of completion of correction. But at the same time, we need to check the Bank Nifty also. In Bank Nifty, this is my expectation, wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3. Okay. So the price needs to end here. We need to see how the price action behaves, because the nature is same, corrective pattern, but the individual patterns may change, that we can identify only based on the future price action. So combining all this, the correction may ended at 38.2% also, or if you take this clue, the wave 2 is smaller. Okay, wave 2 is very small, so we may expect a 50% also, but that is not the rule. Okay, 38% itself a good correction for a wave 4. So the price may turn from 23,300 or 23,100 based on the next week price action, and in my opinion, the correction may end it there, or we may get a very good bounce from there. So we need to watch that price action. Either the correction has been completed as ABC, or the correction may move like this, and it can come to 22,500, 450 zone also. So we need to focus on this B wave once the price reaches this 23,300 at 23,200 zone. I hope you are clear here. Right? So we will focus on this price action now, and let us see whether we are in wave B or entire correction has been over. Both are possible now, because the price is approaching a very important zone. So in my opinion, maybe in end of next week or after that week, in couple of weeks, we may see greens in our stock market. So this is the view on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Small cap, see, there is a possibility of still moving higher. So I'm assuming it as wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4 and 5, and it is possible. Or it can take an extended wave of maybe an ending diagonal or an impulse to complete this wave, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or A, B, C, D. We don't know which pattern may it takes, but there is a higher chance of the price may reach 22,000 in small cap 100. Okay, but that's why I said there is a higher chance that the price may come to these two levels. I hope you remember the levels are 17,050 to 16,700. Still, there is a chance the price may come lower and take support and move higher. If you look at the hourly chart, yes, the price may have a chance of coming one more lower again. We don't know whether it touches the 17,070, but after a bounce, the price may still come one more lower to take support. But if the price comes to that 17,000 levels, then it will be a good important support, 17,000 to 16,700. But these are the extended wave lines. So initially, we need to get the support between these two lines. Based on the price action, we may get the exact levels. So first, we need a bounce first, or the same approach as per the Nifty also. See, all are very fast, and I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe one low to complete 3 and a 4 and a 5. Okay, so all this can be the probability now. So one low is still open in the small caps. So this is the view on small cap. And before going to the commodity segment, let me share a few things like, see this one, Hindustan Copper. Why I am sharing this information is, if you learn the Elliott wave in theoretical type, then you will mainly focus on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and ABC. And in my opinion, if you want to become expert in wave theory, you need to concentrate on corrective patterns. In my course, I give importance to the corrective patterns because the buy point comes at the end of the correction. Many people will concentrate on only on impulse wave, but impulsive waves are very easy to mark. Corrective patterns are the important one we need to learn and practice. See, as I said in previous video, even 1 point can change the pattern, and you really understood the 1 point can change the difference in the Bank Nifty. I have showed in real time. And even in Hindustan Copper, I shared in June 11, when it was trading around 330, 329. As I said before, since the minimum retracement has been done, we can assume the correction has been over. Okay, the first initial step is correction has been over. But at the same time, if the price comes below 320, instead of turning higher from 325, and I said the price comes below 310 in fast nature, one more low is possible. Okay, the one more low is around 250 zone. And this I shared a couple of days back. We shared an alternate option of price moving one more low to 250, and as of now the price touches the 260. In my opinion, the best way to understand Elliott wave is you should know whether you are right or wrong. Most people trade in the anticipation or hope. Both will not work in the markets. So we should know whether we are right or not, and this wave theory clearly indicates that we are right or wrong. That is what the most important point we need to get from the wave theory. Okay, while sharing the post on June 11, explained in detail that if the price comes below 320, we should be cautious, and below 310 with fast, the price may reach one more low without making high. From that level, without making high, the price crossed below 320, which is the first signal for cautious. And on June 27 itself, it happened. I shared in June 11, and now the price is approaching 250. This is on Hindustan Copper. And the next one is, even I want to share some dollar index I have shared in the X. See, during April 1, I said that rejection around 106, and you can see this is around April, exactly around 106.5. You can see the price action 106.5. The price has rejected and reached the 100 levels. Yes, I expected the price to lower, but the price reversed from this trend line. Okay, the thing is, even DXY exactly rejected from our expected zone of 106. Now, the price seems to be in complex and it is near short-term resistance. If crosses 107.5, it may reach 109. See, it is an important resistance. The price may start coming lower from here itself, or it may take a ABC pattern. And if it gives a pullback and crosses above this line of 107.5, there is a possibility of reaching 109, around 109. So this is the approach on DXY now. And in this weekend, we will discuss the important stock Reliance. And I could see some stocks that the entire 5 wave, the bigger 5 wave has been completed in Reliance. Yes, it is possible. But if Reliance completes its entire 5 wave, and that is 100% not good for our markets. But in our Nifty, we expected wave 3 still to continue. So we need to align Reliance with the Nifty. Okay, because underlying idea is Nifty still in wave 3. See, this is the count, and you can see clearly that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and even from this wave, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the last 5 also we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But in my opinion, still Nifty is expecting a lot more highs in Nifty. This chart is in log 1, okay, log enabled chart. If I disable the log 1, you can see the price character, okay. The wave 5 usually will not behave like this. See, I'm just enabling the log and disabling it, okay. If you analyze like this, it cannot be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, 5. So we need to alter like the 5 still may go higher, and we may complete the wave 3 here. Okay, this is wave 1 and wave 2. And in wave 3, it can be wave 1, wave 2, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4 and 5 may proceed. Okay, so this is what my analysis now. I hope the Reliance not yet completed the 5 waves, because it will definitely give a big impact in our market. But let us see, that is also an option. But while seeing this, I don't find a significant completion of a bigger wave 5. So all can be wave 3. And a wave 4 may develop here, right? In A, B, C. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, develop, and the price may start moving higher, and it can relate with the Nifty also. As we said in Nifty, we don't know whether the entire correction has been completed here or a B and C may proceed. So this will be get matched with the Nifty. Okay, this Reliance chart can be matched with the Nifty. Got it? So in my opinion, the 5 waves are not yet completed in Reliance, and it may be a part of bigger wave 4, or it can be still in extended wave. We don't know, right? So it can form an ending diagonal, taking support from here itself. If it is Nifty completes the correction at 38.2. So all can be happen, but my primary assumption, 5 waves, a bigger 5 waves are not yet over in the Reliance. This is my my view, and not any recommendations. Okay, this is the long-term view on Reliance. And next one I want to share Aarti Industries, because I shared this chart couple of weeks before that the price is at important risk reward, but the price came below this point. Okay, so my previous count is invalid, and the price may still make one more low after a good bounce. And for that, we need to analyze the longer term chart. See, all this price action can be wave 3. Okay, so this price action can be in wave 4. As of now, the price reached the below 50%, so 61% comes around 390. Okay, if the price comes after a bounce, this 390 and below that level, okay, 375 is important support for Aarti Industries. Since it is a wave 4, this also possible. Okay, a triangle can be formed like this. and may move higher. So the nature we need to see, but in my opinion, the corrective pattern still not yet over in RT Industries. Let us see how the price action behaves, but in primary opinion, the price can be still in wave 4. So some sort of consolidation or corrective patterns may still continue in this chart. Okay, so this is the update on Nifty, Bank Nifty, broader markets, Reliance and RT Industries, and lot of learnings has been shared in this video. I believe it will be helpful in your future analysis. So now let's move on to the commodity segment. See, silver, the same concept as per Reliance. Okay, please understand. I can find 5 waves. Okay, that's why I shared last week that the silver can turn to be a corrective pattern when the price moves here. Okay, so we can see the price came below $30 and still the price can be develop some corrective patterns. So we need to see how the price action develops, and for the current week, I believe some sort of bounce may come because I expected the price to stop here. So I think the price may have a bounce, and this is what my expectation now. Some sort of at ending diagonal or an impulse, normal impulse to complete the possibly wave 3, 4 and 5, or wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. Okay, both are possible, but for that purpose, the price needs to cross above this zone with an impulsive price action. Then only we can assume the correction has been over here, maybe wave A. Okay, even we may count like this also. Okay, but if it is the case, ABC, 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 because primarily I am seeing it as some sort of fourth wave here. Okay, I explained before 1, 2, 3, a possibly 4. Okay, fourth we cannot confirm earlier, so it may take any pattern, but as of now it can be A wave. So in both the situation it can be A wave. Okay, if the price moves above this $32, it can be A, B and C. But if the price not crosses above that $32, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all can be wave A. Okay, but my primary assumption, the price may be in the some part of sideways fourth wave correction. So this is the analysis on silver now. And crude oil, yes, as I said before, all are 3 waves. The price needs to turn above this. Okay, 66.1. So then only we can expect some sort of some upward movement. Okay, but if the price comes below 66.10, okay, then there is a chance of price to reach this support. Okay, that will become an important support around 64.2 to 63.5, but below this 63.5 the entire count may change. So we need to see first the price takes support from here itself, like 66.1, and the price may start moving higher in this way, because all are 3 waves. There is higher chance of moving above for one more time. But if the price comes below this point, then we may see some sort of price can reach here. Okay, and if the price comes slower, then this will become a support. So we need to see how the price action behaves in crude oil. So the next one is natural gas, and in our previous weekend analysis we expected ABC, one high is expected, and as per the expectation the price moved higher, and I marked the ABC. So ABC is a corrective pattern, that means one more low is highly possible, right? I not marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you watched, I marked only one ABC as a primary count. So if it is ABC, one low is due, and for that we'll check in 4 hours chart. So yes, it can be possible. Okay, so we need to see how the price action develops, because this move the price moved exactly as per expectations. So I'm having the same count now. So there is a chance that one more low in natural gas like this A, B, C. Okay. This is the possible now. So for that, the price needs to reject from here and make one more low. Okay. Then hourly chart, it can be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. We see how the price rejects and let us see. And any gap above the price moves above this point, and this count is invalid and the price may still keep on moving higher because we already in thought of extended waves also on upper side. So this is valid. Okay, so this is the expectation now. The price may come lower to touch this A point or little below this. But if the price moves above this B point, then this is invalid and the price may start moving higher in the extending waves. Okay, this is the view on natural gas. I hope you like this very detailed analysis on markets, and not only analyze the markets, I am trying to educate the importance of wave theory, how we need to approach the market with the help of Elliott waves. Because many people are just learning the waves only through the theory part, but while coming to the real-time analysis, they will miss significantly because they only learn the theory. Even in our this video, you could understand the potential of waves, how we identified, how we thinking in advance what may happen. All these are just 10%, 15%, but there are a lot of things to validate these wave counts. And for that, you can learn my course to understand the wave theory in a better way, in most practical way, in a proper way. You can register my course. I give all the details in the description. There are 350 plus charts as an example. The wave theory can be understood only with a lot of examples. So in that angle, I gave a lot of examples, and not only that, I'm adding regular videos to the course part, minimum one video, maximum two videos every month. And as per the learners' opinion, I have shared the screener part also. So you get fulfilled for selecting the stocks also. So one course, you will get to know the practical way of understanding the wave theory, understanding the wonderful Elliott wave in most practical way. And the course validity is for 1 year. And for that 1 year, I'll be supporting you for your doubts and clarifications. We have a community within the website. You can discuss with the other learners. A lot of things in the single course. If you are really interested in the learning the waves and you want to become an independent trader and analyst without depending on anyone, you can register my course and become an independent trader. If you wish to get the market updates twice a week, you can subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, traders, and families. So thank you for all your support. Trade safe. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Thank you. Take care.